In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run some particular test using Jenkins. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to log in our Jenkins account. So I'm going to log in my Jenkins account by using the username as password, which I created earlier. And then I'm going to click the sign in button. Once we click the sign in button, then we have to access this. We can access basically this type of page. Here we need to create an item. We just need to click this option, new item is there. Once we click here, it will bring like this. On the top left corner, you will find new item. We just need to click over there and very shortly it will be opened. Here we have to name the item. So I'm going to name it as like my project. So here the project name is REST Assured API documentation. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to choose properties, and from here I'm going to copy this name. It's fine if you are using any other name. So I'm going to do like this here so that it is easy to track. Now we have to choose a project type or this item type. So this is the type I'm going to use, freestyle project. Once you click here, it will be selected. Now we have to press the OK button. I'm going to press the OK button and here it will bring this type of page. Here we need to add all this configuration, but we don't need everything because we are running it through the terminal. The command is like mvn then clean test. This command we used in the terminal to run the maven testng rest assured project, right? Like that. So what we need to do, in general we can ignore everything over here. Then source code management, I'm going to choose none because I'm running from my local. But if your program or project is located in Git, then you just need to select Git and you have to complete the URL here. But I'm going to use none. Now trigger part we don't need, environment we also don't need, and build setup we need to come this section. Here we need to add a build. I'm going to click this plus icon, add build setup, and it will bring all of this. We're using Maven, that's why I'm going to choose Maven without looking any other thing. So invoke top level Maven targets. I'm going to click here to select that thing. Now here we will see goal. Goal means the command we need to type. So generally we type mvn then clean clean then test, right? This is the command we generally use. But here if we write this command, then we'll get an error. I'm going to show you very shortly. Let me keep it like that. Now I'm going to click this advanced, and then here it is showing this option. Here there is POM file, properties, some other things. So we need to initialize where is the POM file from my project. If you click this question mark, it will show you everything. Fail to load, file not found. So POM file, we just need to add the path over here. So how can we find the POM file? We have to jump to the editor again, and here is the POM file, right? pom.xml. This is the POM file. So we just need to put the location where is the POM file. So what I can do, I'm going to right click of this project and then I'm going to choose properties, and here is the root folder, right? And the POM file is located under root, right? So I'm going to copy this path and then I'm going to cancel it. Now I'm going to open Jenkins again, and here we just need to put the location where is the POM file. So this is the POM file, and now we can click the save button. But if we try to run it, there will be error, I'm telling you, but I'm going to show you how to fix that. Then I'm going to press the save button, and now there is on option is there build now. If we click here, you'll see very shortly it will fail. It will take very few seconds because we have something. So if you click here, you'll see that it's failed cross. That means it's failed. Why it is failing and how to fix it, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to jump to the like Jenkins again. This is root folder, and this is the job we created before. I'm going to click here, and left side you will find configure. We just need to access the configure, and here if we scroll little bit, you will find the Maven section, right? So build steps, invoke top level Maven target, and here we write this command, but we already selected Maven, so basically here we don't need to choose this thing Maven mvn command. Basically by this selection, it is understanding that there should be mvn in front of this, so we don't need to complete the full command like mvn clean test. Instead of that, we have to type only simple thing clean test, and then you have to press the save button. Now if we try to run this build now button, then you will see that everything will be running properly. So here this is a run, it is working right now. It is still trying, and here there is a git, that means a green tick, which means success. Previously we had failed. Now if we click here, we can see the details of this Jenkins run, and here if we click the console output, then you will see all the details. So here you will see this is the test, and here this is the body payload when you insert it basically, and this is the response. Everything is there, which is exactly same like console, and here is the details of this test. We the total test run is 5, failure 0, error 0, like this, and build success, everything is there. Okay, so in this way we can also access the report, and here if you check carefully, it is showing every history over there. If you click here, it is showing all the logs also over here. And that's it. In this way we can use Jenkins to run our testng maven project very easily.